What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Share channel. Are you having trouble with the Wi-Fi feature on your iPhone? Is it totally grayed out and won't let you turn it on? While this usually is a hardware issue, it could be also due to some software glitches. So before you take it to a repair shop, here are some simple tips for you to troubleshoot. The first trick is to turn airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds. Then turn it back off. Your iPhone will try to resume your Wi-Fi network. If this doesn't work, try force restarting your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Let it go when the Apple logo shows up. This might resume your Wi-Fi module and make it possible for you to actually turn it on. Then your iPhone might reconnect to a network automatically, or you can do it manually by yourself. If the issue persists, try to reset your network settings to factory default. Just be sure that you have your Wi-Fi password ready. This will resume the Wi-Fi toggle, so you might see the icon has turned blue. Then you can go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi network in settings. Just like that. If you still need help, consider taking it a step further and restoring all your iPhone settings to default. This could be the fix, and it won't delete any of your data, so rest assured. Sometimes a software glitch could derail the Wi-Fi connection, so connect to cellular data and check if there's a new software update available for your iPhone. If yes, go ahead and install it. Another powerful solution is to repair the iOS with ReiBoot, which is a professional iOS repair tool. The standard repair can handle most of the common issues, while the deep repair tackles trickier problems. Let's try the standard repair. Download the firmware to any location at your choice. Then you can start repairing anytime you want. Once complete, check if your Wi-Fi is acting normal again. If not, consider taking it to an Apple Genius bar and having an expert help you out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips like this, subscribe to the Share channel or click another video to keep watching now. See you next time.